This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer %20 and %20 Joel %20 Hobson. Renovated 3-bedroom 2.5 bath traditional in Highpoint Terrace, between Eastland and Highpoint Terrace. Very open floor plan west/wonderful kitchen opening to a large keeping and a separate dining room or office nearby. Primary bedroom and bath in the back with 2 bedrooms/1 bath up front. Nice wide porch on the front is great for relaxing and seeing the word go by. Detached garage with plenty of room for a workshop and/or storage. Separate laundry room and half bath. Only show through Thursday this week. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer %20 and %20 Joel %20 Hobson at 901-761-1622.